Some say the 1969 moon landing was a hoax, claiming all the footage was filmed on a soundstage. Conspiracy theorists point to several inconsistencies in the photos, one of the most talked about being the deep footprints left on the moon's surface. As we all know, the moon is a vacuum, and in a vacuum, there's no moisture. So in theory, it shouldn't be possible to leave such defined footprints without something to bind the dust together. To investigate the claim, Tori got 2 bags of fine sand. One was baked in a dryer to remove all moisture, while the other was sprayed with water. Then, Carrie put on a replica of the Apollo moon boot and stepped once on each type of sand. Unsurprisingly, the print in the moist sand was much clearer. But since a vacuum might affect how soil behaves, they took the experiment further by heading to NASA's Space Center to use their vacuum chamber. Even better, the lab had actual lunar soil samples and real moon boots, making the test results much more credible. Once everything was set up, Tori used a mechanical device to press the moon boot into the lunar soil inside the vacuum chamber. The result? A surprisingly crisp and well-defined footprint. At this point, a NASA expert stepped in to explain. Lunar soil is fundamentally different from Earth's. Here on Earth, sand is smoothed by wind and water erosion, giving it rounded edges. But on the moon, there's no wind or water, so the grains stay jagged and angular, making them easier to compress and hold shape. That's why astronauts could leave deep footprints. It's not only possible, it's scientifically sound. So in the end, the myth was busted.